Auntie Jea's another travel adventure. And guess what? I'm going to Seoul, Korea! It's my second travel this year after the Philippines, and we're really excited to explore Seoul, Korea. Helloers, annyeong! We're here now in Seoul, South Korea. We just landed and we're ready to explore Seoul. Come on, let's go! This one. Success! We just printed our Namani card using Cloak. So as you can see, we can print and customize your own card by using your own photos. So this is so super cute. So we can use this on our bus transportation going to our hotel in a bit. So let's have coffee first. Guys, let's have a short room tour. Okay, so this hotel is called Charm Hotel. It's near Ehwa Women University Station. So as you can see, this is the room that we have selected, and I booked this in booking.com for 562 SGD. So as you can see, there is a 2 queen size bed, and it's good for 4 person. I think this is pretty a good deal considering that this room is very spacious and it has a small dining table and 2 chairs. And there's also a mini fridge here, so you can just go to 7-Eleven, buy some snacks, some juice, and then you can just, put it here. Yes. Okay, nice. And there's some free water bottles, 4 bottles. Yep. They also provide this hairbrush, this one. It's actually just the basic needs that you need for you to stay comfortable in this room. And I think it's a very good deal. Before I forget, let's go to the bathroom. Okay, I think this bathroom also is spacious because as far as I saw in some of the hotel rooms in other parts of Seoul, it's a bit crampy. Others are a bit crampy and too small, but this is just the right size for you to shower and enjoy your morning activity. Yeah, and they also provide body wash, rinse, and shampoo. Oh my gosh, we don't have a toothpaste. Oh, is there a toothpaste? Yeah, there is. Sorry. I thought there's no toothpaste at all. We also brought our toothbrush just in case we don't like it, but I think it's a pretty good deal. The only downside is their towels are really small. So if you don't want a small towel, it's better that you bring your shower towel. Okay, but it's just the two of us, so maybe I'll just use this for my body and I'll just use this for my hair. Yeah, so that's about it. And let us rest first because we just slept for 5 hours inside the plane. So we need to freshen up and, take a bit of break. So we'll see you later. Bye. Hi guys, they like my new hair. We just came from Juno Hair too in Myeongdong for our hair. I did a head spa and hair and scalp treatment while JC had his digital perm for hair. Yeah. I like this and it feels refreshing and very clean. I did a very deep scalp cleansing. So now we are here. I don't know the name of the restaurant, but it's a local Korean restaurant where we are eating our first meal here in Seoul. So I'm excited to eat. Let's go. This is their best seller and it's really spicy. This is bone soup. Yeah. And you can really taste the broth. This is the bone soup. Welcome to Yonsei University here in Seoul. So this place is one of the featured university in some K-dramas that we are currently watching, like Dr. Slump. This university is really amazing. From the landscape, the architecture. I'm here for this. It's too sweet for me. I just tasted the wasabi flavor in it. I can't explain, but definitely I will not buy that. Nice. I'm just actually here for the food tasting. Kidding. But it's so nice that they have a free tasting with each of the flavors here so that us customers can decide which one to take because there's a lot, really a lot of flavors to choose from. I don't know what to buy. Yes, the damage has been done. But I'm happy to buy all this because I really love almonds. So now let's begin our night market food. So I'm really hungry and I don't want to waste any more time. So let's go. I think I want
Spicy sauce.
Is it too spicy?
I think
A little bit. Okay, one. 감사합니다. This is the first item for the night, so let's have a taste. It's nice and it's spicy. Let's go to our next food street food. Let's go to our next item. Food. This one. French fries. Thank you. I can choose any?
yeah.
Alright. So we can try the cheese. This one? Is it nice?
I like it.
You like it? Okay. Okay, let's try. Alright, let's try this. Too hot? Yes. What do you call it? The soy sauce is good. Yeah. 안녕.
Yeah,
Two?
not spicy.
Non-spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Two. Fish cake. 감사합니다. It's hot. It's nice. And for our last, but not the least. Last but not the least, no. I'm kidding. It's our last item, food item for tonight, and of course, dessert. So we choose this milk and black sesame flavor. So let's try if it's really nice. I like that it's not sweet. But both the flavors, you can really taste it. We're wrapping up this Myeongdong food street tonight because we're really exhausted after our flight, but it's a good start to have our first day and first night here in Seoul. And tune in for more vlogs. Bye!